With data volumes growing exponentially, spread across virtual, physical, hybrid, and public cloud environments, it's almost impossible to keep track of all the systems involved. Customers are struggling to prove their ability to recover and meet business SLA requirements. They're wasting manpower and resources on trying to piece together multiple fragmented pieces of monitoring data to get a true picture of infrastructure health. They're also unsure about true storage usage and projections, which means they may have to pay premiums for last-minute storage purchases when unexpected issues occur. How good would it be if their backup solution provided intelligent infrastructure monitoring and diagnostics? Or if their backup solution could help to resolve common infrastructure and software misconfigurations? Wouldn't your customers benefit from an automated system with up-to-date backup reporting? Would they enjoy the ability to make proactive decisions based on full insight into their production and backup infrastructure? Your customers are dealing daily with these critical questions. The Veeam Cloud Data Management Platform has powerful answers to hand, including monitoring and analytics solutions. Visit Veeam Pro Partner Portal or get in touch today to find out more.